Hi again. Now in this quick walkthrough, we'll take a look into CronySoft's backoffice to help you understand, navigate, and work quickly rather than jumping multiple pages. When you first log in, you'll land directly to the home screen. And starting from here, you can access modules directly, and right below, you can see the most used ones by you, which will be available. So if you want to pick up from where you left off, you can easily access it from here. Moving on to the dashboard, which is interactive as well. You can view multiple reports just by clicking on this and you'll get a full detailed view of that. On the right side, you'll see live receipts coming in, and below, you'll see a general report from the last 24 or even 7, 15, and 30 days. You can have a quick view on these things like your sales or purchases. To start with the basics, on the bottom left corner, click on More to access quick navigation options. In My Account, you can manage your subscriptions and billing details. That includes subscriptions, payments, billing, services, and settings. Support ticket, if you need help regarding technical issues or any issues that you're facing with, you can create a support ticket directly from here. In the settings, this is where you configure your entire system. Inside settings, you'll find the following sections: store information, configure your store's core details such as store name, address, contact information, and label settings used across the system. Tax information, set up your tax rules, including taxable and non-taxable items, and define how taxes are applied during your transactions. Schedule, this is for the check-in and check-out process for your employees and your staff members. Bank, connect your bank account for financial tracking. Enable Plate to securely sync transactions and statements. Configure pre-printed check offset to align printed checks correctly. Send to POS. Select which data, products, pricing, updates should be pushed to your POS for real-time operations. Menu templates. Choose and manage your default menu layout. You can add or import new templates to customize menus based on your business needs. Set up and configure integrated weight scales used for items sold by weight. DVR setup. Connect and configure your DVR system to integrate video monitoring with transactions. Sales tax payments. Set up and manage how your sales tax payments are tracked and processed. Payroll tax payments. Configure payroll-related taxes to ensure proper tracking and compliance for employee payments. Food delivery setup. If you offer delivery services, configure delivery settings, notifications, and kitchen workflows here. DriveX setup. Manage DriveX settings for documents upload to process files such as invoice, purchase orders, and bookkeeping data. In the shop section, you can browse and purchase all required hardware for POS systems, printers, scanners, scales, and even complete packages. In Profile, you can manage your personal and system preferences from profile image, contact details, and language preferences to select your language preference for the back office. In customization, you'll have the opportunity to select a dark mode and change the color selection as well. For security, you have the options to change your password, change the PIN, and also access your QR codes. In downloads, all necessary software including POS applications and testing tools would be available for you. So throughout the back office, you must have come across Summary tab, the down arrow, and the question mark. The down arrow pages gives you quick access to action buttons such as creating support tickets, managing users, applying filters, performing quick page specific actions, etc. The help icon is for tutorials, how-to guides, and module-specific help. Summary tab, now they are related to the specific modules, like here we see on your products. If you click it, you will see multiple items, active items, dead items, inactive items. So it'll give you a whole summary of that specific tab. And it's also interactive, so by clicking on it, you can also have a detailed view. For DriveX, you can drop your documents on the home screen, and if you have a data entry subscription, our team will be able to pick it up and process that for you. You can also choose to click and access DriveX to drop your files or check the status of the process. On the top menu, you'll see several quick access tools. These include new orders, notifications, Zoom, attendance, alerts, and support. These shortcuts allow you to quickly access without leaving your current page. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Smart Search bar. This is a key feature you will have access to. Smart Search allows you to find items instantly without needing to press Enter. Simply start typing and the system will automatically show results. You can quickly locate things like products, departments, or even other records without having to navigate through multiple menus. This makes finding information much faster and more efficient. And another exciting feature that the Smart Search has is you can even use the barcode scanner or even add the barcode manually by typing it, and the item will appear right in front. If you are running a delivery system, you can access the orders sections to view all incoming orders. Here you can check orders that are received, processing, ready for pickup, out for delivery, and completed orders. This helps you keep track of everyday orders in real time. The notification section will alert you when there are updates from either the back office or your POS system. This ensures you stay informed about important activities within your system. You can also access the attendance section where employees can clock in and out. This allows you to track staff attendance directly within CronySoft. In the top right corner, you can click on your profile name to open My Account menu. From here, you can quickly access options like theme settings, your profile, system settings, alerts, your hours. You can also view trainings, sessions, updates, and supports all from one place. If needed, this is also where you can log out of your system. Next, we have the main menu, which provides access to all system modules. From here, you can navigate to areas such as price books, tools, accounts, HR, store, CRM, audits, and setup. Each section contains the tools needed to manage different parts of your business. Within these sections, you'll find different modules from inventory management to reporting and analytics. These modules help you manage every aspect of your store from one system. The setup section is where you configure important system settings. We'll go through this section in more details in another video. For now, this overview simply helps you understand where to find everything within the system. And that is it for how to operate CronySoft BackOffice overview and navigations. Come join me in our next video as we begin our back-office tutorials, where I will be guiding you on each module and how to. You can head over to our back-office tutorials playlist where you can find all the modules training and step by step. I'll see you guys in our back-office tutorials.